Ready to skyrocket your Google Ads performance with the power of AI. First, connect your Google Ads account to Uphex by clicking the Connect Google Ads button on your Uphex dashboard. Then authorize Uphex to access your Google Ads data through the Google authentication flow. Next, dive into Uphex's keyword analysis tool. Uphex will then analyze your existing keywords, identify high-potential terms, and suggest new keywords to target based on search volume and competition, giving you the best chance of success. Now, let Uphex work its magic by optimizing your bids. Uphex's AI algorithm will automatically adjust your bids based on real-time performance data, maximizing your ROI and helping you get the most out of your ad budget, leading to more conversions, faster. Finally, track your progress with Uphex's performance dashboard. Monitor key metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition to see how Uphex is improving your campaign performance.